JanPro has been providing commercial cleaning services for over 25 years. And during that time, we discovered the need to provide a disinfection process that is safe, efficient, and effective. Our solution is EnviroShield, JanPro's total disinfection system. Our process adds an electrostatic charge to the disinfectant as it is dispersed, which allows it to fully and evenly coat touch points, surfaces, and objects. EnviroShield uses an EPA-approved disinfectant, which is safe for you and the environment, leaving no residue while effectively killing 99.99% of viruses and bacteria. Whether it's a one-time or regular frequency application, JanPro services different risk profiles and everything from small offices to large distribution centers. To learn more about JanPro, EnviroShield, and the science of disinfecting, visit our website or contact your local JanPro office to learn more.